niguo kugacirithia mathomo guku bururi-ini na gutigirira arutwo na akenya matinatigwo na thutha ukuriaini wa technology. Ministry ya ICT unyitaniri-ini na Kambuni ya Kodris Africa iria koretwo ikiheana mathomo kugerera mitambo ya kiriu ni maruguritie mubango wa mathomo wa kugacirithia uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu mathomo-ini. Akiruguria mubango uyu wa coding, Minister wa ICT Joe Musheru no aruguririe mubango ungi wa guthomithia akenya mirioni 20 kuhuthira mitambo ino iri njira ya gutigirira akenya matinatigwo na thutha kuria riu o mukenya wothe urenda guthoma abati kwiyandikithia.
I want to invite all Kenyan citizens to register on the portal which is citizentraining.icta.go.ke. Now we have 1.9 million people working online. That number will grow and we hope that number will be more than 10 million in the next 2 years.
Mubango uyu wa mathomo makiriu ukihuthira mitambo niguo wa mbere kuhitukio guku bururi-ini ni ruhonge ruria ruthondekaga mutaratara wa mathomo rwa KICD na thirikari ni tanyitwo kwambiriria kugeria mubango uyu wa mathomo maya hari thukuru iria caguritwo iria ni thukuru 100 cia muthingi na 50 cia secondary cia thirikari.
For us, we have already delivered devices to over 22,000 schools, and this is to make sure that we have a start.
Mubango uyu wa mathomo ugukorwo kihaririria arutwo na maundu matiganite ta uthunduri handu ha kuhuthagira undu uria tuthondeketwo ni mundu ungi.
ICT skill development is really key for us, and the only way to achieve that is by starting at a very early age, whereby you introduce coding in grade 1.
Anyiti itemi matiganite aria megwikinyitie kirugurio-ini giki ta TSC, thukuru cia andu kiumbe, KRA na KICD hamwe na mabengi matiganite makiranira kurutithania wira na thirikari niguo gukinyaniria mubango wa mathomo maya.
Even during the COVID, some of us were able to offer e-learning. I particularly offered e-learning in our schools, but the catch was not all parents were able to get online.
And these core competencies include communication and collaboration, critical thinking and problem solving, imagination and creativity, citizenship, digital literacy, learning to learn, and self-efficacy.
Munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI George Kinoti urio nake ogwikinyitie kirugurio-ini giki akigweta bata wa technology akiuga ni imwe ya kindu kiria giteithagia hari kuhitana na ekinai kuona na ihinda-ini riri wici muingi uratabanio kugerera mitambo na uguo mubango uyu wa mathomo ni ugukorwo na uguni munene ruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri.
We don't anymore go chasing robbers and all that. Those times of we used to chase all the way even with the choppers in our so and no go. We chase them in a laboratory. We chase them in a computer.
Mubango uyu wa mathomo ma kiriu ma mitambo ugukorwo kiiganania arutwo thĩ yothe aria megukorwo magithoma rungu rwa mubango uyu gitaro-ini kia Afrika no bururi wa Kenya ucaguritwo ihinda-ini riri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.